I founded the United Art Gallery like 2 years ago, and a lot of international artists were showing their COVID-19 related work there. And now there is another chance if you want to have your COVID-19 related work published. The Italian photographer Giulio D'Ercole is working on an international photography installation that is called Our Home, A Shared New World. It will be held in a lot of different cities around the world. And I show you a short video how it will look like. And if you want to be part of it or want to see just the whole video, check out this link here. I'm very excited about it. It looks really great. I hope to see your work there as well.